Welcome to an in-depth look at Apple's newest release, the iPad Mini 7. Apple has once again redefined what we expect from their compact tablet series by blending the familiar with cutting-edge upgrades. From enhanced performance with the A17 Pro chip to exciting new colors and doubled base storage, this device promises to deliver both in design and function. At first glance, the iPad Mini 7 doesn't stray too far from its predecessor in terms of design. The tablet features the same 8.3-inch display size that iPad mini fans have come to love, which still offers excellent portability. The most striking design updates come in the form of two new colors, blue and purple, adding to the existing palette. These colors cater to users seeking a more personalized touch, whether for professional or personal use. One of the most talked about features, or lack thereof, is the 60 Hz refresh rate on the iPad Mini 7's 8.3-inch display. Apple decided to stick with the same refresh rate found in the iPad Mini 6, which could be disappointing for users who were hoping for an upgrade to 120 Hz, a feature that remains reserved for Apple's premium iPad models like the iPad Pro. The Liquid Retina display continues to shine in terms of clarity and color accuracy, making it a great option for casual media consumption and productivity. Undoubtedly, one of the most significant upgrades in the iPad Mini 7 is its performance, driven by the A17 Pro chip. Borrowed from the iPhone 15 Pro series, this processor takes the iPad Mini's performance to a new level. Apple made a significant improvement in the storage department with the iPad Mini 7. The base model now starts with 128 gigabytes of storage, doubling the previous 64 gigabytes base capacity found in the iPad Mini 6. This update gives users more space to store apps, photos, videos, and documents without the immediate need to upgrade to a higher storage option. At the same starting price of $499, this increase in storage significantly boosts the device's value. While the iPad Mini 7's camera system doesn't introduce groundbreaking innovations, it does feature slight enhancements. The device retains the 12-megapixel rear camera, ideal for quick shots, document scanning, and even some casual photography. One area where the iPad Mini 7 might feel a bit limiting is its Apple Pencil compatibility. The device supports the Apple Pencil 2, which comes with advanced features like wireless charging and a magnetic attachment. In terms of battery life, the iPad Mini 7 remains solid, offering up to 10 hours of usage on a single charge. This is the same as the previous model, ensuring that you'll have enough juice for a full day of productivity or entertainment. Thanks for tuning in to this in-depth review of the iPad Mini 7. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest tech news and reviews.